Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing something new here which is super exciting. I have been given some products by Rug Doctor to try out and see if they lift the stains they said they would. So to start with, we have got a dried in stain, next we've got a coffee stain, and then finally we're going to clean the carpets. So they have kindly donated us a spot and stain remover wipes and the Oxypower Stain Remover Tough Stain Spray. So I am at my mum's house, if you haven't guessed, you haven't seen this before. I don't have any stains in my house. I went round everywhere and all the carpet is fine, especially because it's really, really dark. It's like black. There's just nothing on it. So I asked around and luckily my mum has light carpets with marks on them and I was like, I'm gonna give it a go, we're gonna do it. So we are gonna hit the dried in stains with this stuff. This is Oxypower Stain Remover. It says it works for difficult food and drink spills including red wine and coffee. Now this isn't a food spill as such, but we're in my brother's room if you haven't guessed, and there is a sick stain on the floor from years and years ago. It's never gone. She said give it a go. So this is the stain we have in question. This one was in the house before they moved in, so it is an unidentified stain. We have no idea what this is. It won't go. She's tried many different products, so we're going to give this one a go. So it says to spray the surface first, leave 3 to 5 minutes, and then come back to it. So while we're waiting for that, we'll get on to the other one. So we're going back to the first one. I've got my gloves on because it says gloves are recommended. And we're going to see if it did anything. Well, it definitely shifted that one. So this was the one that had been in the house before they'd moved in. No idea what it was. Tried many things. It is completely gone. On to stain number 2, we shall see how this goes. And that one's gone too. Wow, eh? We're going in with these next. These are the spot and stain removers. We've picked the dirtiest area of the carpet we can find, just in case this doesn't lift. But we have got some coffee, as if we are going to pretend to knock it over, as the picture says on here, and we're going to blot and then wipe it away. I feel so wrong doing it. Whoops-a-daisies. So I'm going to pretend that I ran into the kitchen to go get the wipes, because you're never going to have them on you at the time, and we shall see how we go. Oh, they're quite big wipes. Huge things. Right, it's soaked in nicely. We are gonna blot the oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Can you see this? This is like lifting like straight away. This is very strange. It's like magic. What is in these things? And then rub. I'm going to do another one because that one has a lot of liquid on. Well, that took it away pretty good. Look at the white line where it goes. Wowee, gone. Spot and stain remover. Highly recommend having a pack of these in the house. So we've been kindly donated one of the deep suction power deep carpet cleaners from Rug Doctor. I'm not going to bore you with the setting up, so we're going to set it up and we're going to clean all of the carpets, which is very exciting. So this is the dirt from just 2 rooms. Look how black that is. That is disgusting. So we're going to empty this now. So I've made it home now after doing my mum's house. I would say that the spray and the wipes are absolutely amazing. Definitely gonna restock on them when I run out, obviously. I would say that even if you can't afford to buy a rug doctor, because they are quite expensive, you can actually hire them from most places. I think it says even on their website that they're only like £20 a day, and then for 48 hours it's like £28. So even if you don't want to spend out and splash out on the actual machine for yourself, you can still hire one and get all of this excellent cleaning at your own house, really. I just really like this machine. It's really good. So we're going to go onto the stairs now and see if we can get any dirt off of them. I'm not going to do all my stairs. I just want to see how they are on the bottom 2 stairs. So you get this handy tool with the rug doctor as well, and this has the spray button, so you can spray it while you're going along and hoover up all of the liquid. I would say that the liquid smells absolutely amazing. It makes it smell really fresh, like brand new carpet. Mine came with 2 different sprays. I got a detergent spray and I got a pet odor spray. So if you do have pets in your house, that is also good for like urine or fur or anything on the carpet like that. You can like lift all that smell out of it as well. So yeah, let's get going and see how we do on the stairs. So this is the on and off switch. It's got the carpet and then the tool setting. So we're going to be using the tool setting now to try on the stairs, and it's all plugged in, ready to go. So let's do it. So this was used with the same detergent that the carpets at my mum's was, so it smells really good. I love how it sort of lifted it. Our carpet was quite flat, you can see here, and it's kind of lifted it back to a brand new carpet, which I really like. But as for like seeing the stains, this is what I meant by the carpet at my house. It's quite dark, you're not going to be able to see any stains or anything on it, but you can feel the difference, how that is like, it feels like it's been washed. It's brilliant. And then that is just from them 2 steps. How grubby does that look? So it's definitely cleaned it. So I just want to say a massive thank you to Rug Doctor for sending these goodies. It was really kind of you to do that. I am definitely going to be using them in the future, especially the wipes. So if I ever spill wine or anything on my new rug, I've got them handy. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. I'll link Rug Doctor's details all over the description as well, so if you did want to go and have a look at anything, they're all down there for you. And I'll see you all again soon. Bye!